Hello, today we will see the 3D structures of glucose, galactose and fructose and compare them. So firstly, this is a glucose molecule. Its molecular formula is C6H12O6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 hydrogen, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 oxygen. Now this is the two-dimensional representation of this 3D structure here. This is the aldehyde group CHO. Corresponding to this oxygen of the first carbon, we have an OH group, then an H, then an OH, again an OH, and here too an OH. See, this is the oxygen, then an OH, then H, then OH, OH and again OH. So this is the structure of glucose. Now this is the fourth carbon. First, second, third and fourth. The carbon which is nearest to the functional group, this is the aldehyde functional group, and the carbon which is nearest to the functional group is considered the first carbon. So here this is the first carbon and accordingly this is the fourth carbon. Now if I just interchange the positions of OH and H in this structure glucose, I am interchanging the positions of H and OH. What I get is actually a galactose molecule. So I have changed the position of fourth carbon. See, this is the first, second, third and fourth. I have interchanged the positions and this is a galactose molecule. See, this is a glucose, this is structure of glucose and this is the structure of galactose. Both glucose and galactose have an aldehyde functional group attached to the first carbon. Then corresponding to this oxygen, in glucose we first have an OH, then an H and then an OH. But if it's in galactose, corresponding to this first oxygen we have an OH then an H, but here we have an H. So the position of OH and H in the fourth carbon decides glucose or galactose. So this is galactose. So this is a galactose molecule. Fourth carbon OH, and corresponding to the oxygen here on the fourth carbon we have corresponding H. So glucose and galactose are called epimers. Epimers are stereoisomers where the orientation of H and OH differs only at one carbon. So here the position of H and OH differs only at one carbon, that is the fourth carbon. So glucose and galactose are epimers. Now this is a molecule of fructose. Its molecular formula is C6H12O6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hydrogen, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygen. On the second carbon of fructose, an oxygen is bound by a double bond. So this is the ketone functional group attached to the second carbon. Now, with the correspondence to this oxygen on the first carbon, there is an OH present. This is the two-dimensional representation of this molecule. On the first carbon corresponding to this oxygen, we have an OH. Then on the third carbon corresponding to this oxygen, there is a hydrogen. And on the opposite side, that is on the left hand side, there is an OH group present. Then on the fourth, fifth and sixth carbon, we have an OH, OH and OH corresponding with this oxygen, and the hydrogen group is on the opposite side to this oxygen. Now let us compare this fructose with glucose molecule. So as the molecular formula of both glucose and fructose is same, that is C6H12O6, and the functional group attached in both the molecules is different. As we saw, in glucose there is an aldehyde, and in fructose there is a ketone group at the second carbon. So these both are isomers. Isomers are structures which have same molecular formula but different structural composition.